Welcome to our lecture online. Now let's see how well we know our angles. Here you can see that with the 4 line segments, A, B, C, and D, all coming together at point E, we can make these 5 angles. So these angles are either right, straight, obtuse, or acute angles. So let's find out which are which. So first we go from A to E to D. So clearly this angle is greater than 90 degrees, and therefore this angle has to be obtuse. It's not a straight angle because a straight angle would be a 180 degree angle, so none of these look like they're going to be straight angles. So this first angle is what we call an obtuse angle. The second angle is BED. Now that looks pretty well like a 90 degree angle. A 90 degree angle is called a right angle. So therefore, this is a right angle. Now the next angle is from C to E to D. Clearly it's less than 90 degrees, and therefore it's called an acute angle. Now we look at angle BEC, so from B to E to C. Clearly again that angle is less than 90 degrees, so that's also an acute angle. And finally, we go from A to E to B. Again, that angle is less than 90 degrees, so that is also an acute angle. And so that's how we can tell the difference. That's how we know which angle we're dealing with.